Other thing I was going to ask you is about Prophet Daawood alayhi salam. What's the significance of his fast, and what form of fast did the Prophet Daawood alayhi salam do?
The fasting which is preferred, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said the best type of fasting is the fasting of Dawud alayhi salam, and the details are given in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, hadith number 1975, where one of the Sahabas, Abdullah may Allah be pleased with him, the Prophet had heard. He approached him and said, I have heard that you fast every day and you pray the full night. And the Sahaba said, yes. The Prophet told him that you should fast for some days and break the fast for some days. And you should pray at night and even sleep at night, because your body has right over you, your wife has right over you, your family has right over you, and your guests have right over you. And then the Prophet said, you fast for 3 days every month, it will be as though you have fasted for the full year. So the Sahaba said, but Prophet, I can do much more than that. Then the Prophet said, fast like the fast of Dawud alayhi salam. And the Sahaba asked him that what type of fast did he keep? The Prophet said, he fasted half a year. That means every alternate day for the full year. The other hadith of Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, book of fasting, hadith number 1976. The same hadith repeated, but in the ending he says, fast like the fast of Dawud alayhi salam. And Dawud alayhi salam fasted one day and broke the fast the other day. That means he fasted alternate days the full year.
Okay, thank you for shedding light on the fast of Daawood alayhi salam.